Hi, Katerina. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's really good, Katerina. Welcome to this work-based learning plan. The reason we are doing this learning plan today is that I've been approached by your supervisor that you've got some difficulties with operating Gmail, and you've just been appointed. First of all, congratulations for your job that you have been appointed as an admin assistant. So congratulations for that. And yeah, so I've been
Thank you.
approached by your supervisor, and they've said that you're facing some difficulties with operating Gmail and some basic Excel that you've had some problems with. So this learning plan that we are doing today is going to be divided into two parts. So your training is going to be actually divided into two parts. As you can see that, did you receive my email, Katerina?
Yes.
That's good. So yeah, so I've sent you this learning plan as well. So the training that we have organized for you is going to be divided into two parts. One is going to be sending, forwarding, recalling, or creating your signatures, and basically forwarding the emails and attaching files as well if you require to, or respond to your incoming emails to the clients with like a standard auto reply. And so basically creating a template so that you can create a standard auto reply, and undo, so sort of like undoing or recalling your emails that you have already sent. And there is going to be another training, which is going to be an external training. So this Gmail training is going to be an in-house training with myself. I will be your trainer for that. But there will be an MS Excel training that I have organized for you. And that is basically with Progressive Learning Group. They have, they're going to train you on MS Excel. And yeah, so Katerina, before we actually go through the whole learning plan, I've actually had access to your HR file, and I've had a bit of look at your characteristics, learning characteristics, and your background as well. So I understand, Katerina, that you moved to Australia from Russia in 1999. And in the 2000s, you worked in administration as well, but because you had to take care of your grandchildren, you stopped doing so, and then you started back again in 2007. So that's really good. That's a good break that you had there. That's good. So welcome to Manpower Training Services again, and your role as an administrative assistant is your first job after having your grandchildren. And yeah, so I'm just I can see that you have a bit of health issues here, and you are diabetic. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so Katerina, when we do have our, our training, I really insist that you let me know whenever you need to have your medication, because I understand that you self-administer that. So when you do have to go for your medication before the break, I understand that's what you do, like 15 minutes before the break. That's perfectly fine with me. Or if you need to change the timing or whatever you need to do, you please let me know, and we will go ahead and do that. We will adjust the training accordingly, according to what you need to do for your best of your health. Also, I understand that so your learning language and numeracy needs that I have looked at. So this is basically very, very good. So you've got learning 3, reading 3, writing 3, oral communication 4, numeracy as well 3. So that is really good. So that's a very good score for your learning language literacy. So that is very good. I think you're a very good learner, and we're going to have fun in your training session here. So Katerina, as I said, I've arranged the external training as well. So yeah, for MS Excel. So please be mindful that we do have to actually go through the whole WHS requirements again in the training as well. So I would let you know what are the what is the muster point and where is the emergency exit, and we have to, so according to the rules and regulations, we have to submit our documentations as well. So we will keep a training record for you, and by the end of the training session we will actually send you a certificate of completion once we have reviewed and signed your documents off. So after the training is over, I will actually organize another session, just a 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes catch up with you, just to go through or review whatever you've learned and how you're executing what you have learned in your day-to-day activities. And once I've reviewed and signed that off and have had a feedback from Progressive Learning for your Excel training, I will get your certificate of completion to you. So this is what the learning plan is about, Katerina. And is there any question that you have?
No.
That's really good. So
no, not yet.
That's really good. So you're comfortable with that learning plan, Katerina?
Yes.
That is excellent. All right. So I'm looking forward to see you at the training then. Thank you so much for joining me today for your learning plan.
Thank you.